Discipline does not mean rigidity or punishment. Discipline is the ability to act with purpose, even when you lack motivation. The Stoics knew that self-discipline was the foundation of a full, strong, and free life. It's not about controlling everything, but about controlling yourself. In this video, you will discover how to develop self-discipline in just 7 days by applying ancient Stoic principles. From clearly defining your purpose to practicing small daily discomforts, focusing on what you can control, and reflecting to adjust your path. If you're tired of starting and quitting, this method can change the way you live. It's not theory. These are daily habits that build character. Join me and get ready to transform your willpower and become a truly disciplined person. Do you find it difficult to stay focused on your goals? Do you want to be someone with determination and consistency? From this method tested for thousands of years by wise Stoics, you can build a powerful self-discipline in just 1 week. Get ready to take full control of your life. Day 1 and 2, clearly define your purpose. Seneca said, "If a man does not know to which port he is sailing, no wind will be favorable to him." Start your week by clearly defining your most important goal. Write it in detail in your journal, visualize it, and constantly remember why you want to achieve it. Day 3 and 4, practice voluntary discomfort. Epictetus taught us that we must willingly harden ourselves to be prepared for any situation. On the 3rd and 4th, choose a small voluntary daily discomfort. Take a cold shower, wake up earlier, or avoid unhealthy foods. These small victories will strengthen your will. Day 5 and 6, focus on what you can control. Marco Aurelio advised us to focus only on what we can control, our thoughts and actions. During these days, observe your reaction to stress. If something goes wrong, take a deep breath and ask yourself, is this really under my control? Let go of what you can't change and focus on what you can handle. Day 7, reflect and adjust. The Stoics recommend ending each day with a brief reflection on your progress. On the 7th, review your achievements and challenges during the week. Identify what worked and what you need to adjust. Remember, discipline is a continuous process of learning and improvement. Now you have the tools to build self-discipline using Stoic wisdom in just 7 days. Remember, define your purpose, embrace discomfort, focus on what you can control, and reflect constantly. Start today and become the disciplined person you've always wanted to be. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to continue exploring. Subscribe and keep growing towards your best self. Would you like to listen to these reflections while commuting, exercising, or relaxing? Find the Live with Wisdom podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and more. And discover resources, ebooks, and exclusive products in our official stores. Links in the description. Thank you for your support. And live with wisdom.